Hello everyone, myself Mani Sharma from RPT campus. In today's class, I discuss about Introduction to Hematology. RBC are considered as yardstick for estimating 19 dimensions of other cells in sections. The diameter of relative cells are about 7 micrometer. Plasmalemma and stoma. The stoma is composed of proteins such as spectrin that are associated with the inner surface of the plasmalemma. It maintains the bioconcave shape of the RBC. The external surface of plasmalemma is the covered by carbohydrate-rich glycocalyx which contain genetically determined antigens that allow blood type including A, B, O, A, B groups to be distinguished. Hemoglobin. Each hemoglobin molecule consists of polypeptide subunit. Each include an iron containing hemihemoglobin Hb. Exist in a different forms distinguishable on group, the basis of the amino acid sequence of their subunits. In humans, only 3 forms are considered. Normal in postnatal life, HbA constitute 97%, HbA2 constitute 2% and HbF 1% of the hemoglobin of healthy adult. HbF makes up around 80% of hemoglobin of newborn. However, this proportion gradually decreases until normal adult levels are reached at about 8 months of age. HbS is an abnormal form of HbA that is found in patients like sickle cell anemia. Unlike HbA, HbS becomes insoluble at low oxygen tensions and crystallizes into inflexible rods that deform the RBC, giving them the characteristic sickle shape. When the rigid sickled cell passes through narrow capillaries, they cannot bend as normal RBC do. They may become trapped, obstructing blood flow through the capillary, or rupture, decreasing the number of RBC available for oxygen transport, is known as anemia. Abnormalities of RBC usually named as anemia due to change in shape, number or hemoglobin content. Anisocytosis refers to the presence of a high percentage RBC with great variation in size. So there are the abnormalities of RBCs. Today class I discuss about the introduction to the hematology and their terms plasmalemma and stoma and the hemoglobin. Thank you.